Hi, this is Marek Sebastian Ishtar here at what frigging convention is this? Animation on display. Like my midriff, it's on display. I'm here with Lorraine. Hello, Lorraine. Wow, that guy's crouching down awkwardly. It's really distracting. Sorry, Lorraine, you were talking.
Hello, this is Lorraine. It's very good to see you all today.
It's very good to see you, even though we can't. You're just a
be
camera.
careful.
You're very sexy, though.
Yeah.
So what are you looking forward to today, Lorraine?
I'm looking forward to meeting a lot of people and
Yes.
hopefully get a lot of conversations out.
Yes, we're going to do that, and we're also going to take everyone's pants. How many pants have you taken today?
10.
10 pants.
Maybe some people's money too.
Maybe money? Why would you take their money? I just said pants. We're not taking money. That's not part of the
Well, their
agreement.
money has, their
Then
pants
pants have money in them.
Yes.
I need to take these pants, because when I take people's pants, it's just like rubbish and there's nothing. It's just pants, and I'm left with pants and I can't do anything with them. Maybe I can swap. Maybe you can give me the money and you can take my pants.
Give me
want
the
these?
pants or I can take the money.
Do you want my pants?
My pants.
I don't want your pants. Do you have money in your pants? No money? Then no, I don't want your pants. I think I have money in my pants, so I'll
How
take
much
my
do you think
pants.
you have?
I'm taking my pants. My pants.
Okay.
I win!